Hey friends, my name is Speeds. Yes, I am doing a vlog after a very long time. Yes, and today actually I'm going to give my bike for service. I wanted to do a complete service, and I am going to give the bike in Yelahanga. It's actually a bit far from my place. It's like 25 kilometers, but that's okay. It has the best rating and the best service centers. It's one of the best service center. Actually, not one of the. It is the best service center for KTM in Bangalore, as per the reviews and updates from my friends. And the main reason I'm giving it there, because I want to get my bike completely checked from top to bottom, from front wheel to the rear, and because yes, I am going for another ride, and this time it's gonna be a bit long actually. By the way, I was back in Bangalore from Singapore in July itself, and after that the work was too hectic, and I was not able to put a single vlog with respect to this. But however, I'm posting this. I'll try to post this vlog just before I leave for my ride. And the ride is none other than to Ladakh, to Ladakh, to Ladakh, to Ladakh. Yes, and yes, I'll be riding solo. I won't be, riding with so many friends. I'm riding solo from Bangalore to Ladakh, and from Ladakh back to Bangalore. And it's gonna be a 1-month ride, and as always, I will be uploading the videos of my Ladakh ride only once I'm back to Bangalore. There are even chances that you might be watching this video after I started my ride. So I'm really sorry I was not able to give you give you this update earlier, or I was not able to create a proper vlog for this and give you an update. The reason being, the work is very hectic, and there are a lot of things I need to finish off. So, and today when I got an opportunity to give my bike for servicing, I thought I'll create a vlog for this. Okay, thank you KTM Yelahanga. So I got my baby back, and after the service, whoa man, whoa, the machine is super smooth, awesome man, really nice. And the bike feels super smooth now. Not super smooth, it has much better smoothness, and yes, KTM is not known for smoothness, so yeah, it's like the adrenal rush from the bike, which pulls towards you and asks you, come on bro, ride on. Woo. Yes, I'm really excited. I think by the time you guys see this vlog, I'll be started my ride to Leh. That's what the plan is, and I will be starting in one of the weekdays. Yes, the main reason being, yes, I will be able to get the road free, because if it is on a weekend, there'll be like so many people who's going on trips and things like that, and the highway is going to be busy in the early morning. Not busy, but yeah, comparatively a bit more busy. So I'll be starting one of the weekday midnight or early morning, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, yeah, which is also very close to midnight. The route which I have decided is like from Bangalore, it will be like Pune, Mumbai, and then Godhra, Ajmer, Delhi, or I may skip Delhi and directly go to Chandigarh, Amritsar. Anyways, that's the plan at the moment. I am excited and equally nervous for this ride because yeah, I'm excited and equally nervous because this is gonna be this is gonna be my longest ride till date. So as per the plan, I am supposed to cover 7,500 kilometers, which is like Bangalore to Leh and back to Bangalore. And yes, my mind says yes, I can do it. I can go till the top and come back. And I really want to do this, not because I want to prove something, because it's just because I want to do it. Checking. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to get to Koramangala, this one place from where I used to buy protein bars. Yes, and for these rides, protein bars are one of the best thing you can get for where you will be able to, take it as a complete meal. Yes, it provides 30 grams of protein with one bar. Okay, so I just came out of the nutrient shop. I bought 2 packets of protein bars, like 12, 24. Which I think should be okay. I'm almost set, and the couple of things which needs to be done is the luggage carrier for my bike, and then I have to do a haircut. Now the next thing is I have to get a luggage carrier on my bike. I also wanted to, get the cover for the jerry cans. Let me see. So that's it for me for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching my all videos. So you can anytime drop a comment on the comment section below, so that like if you have any questions, or you can express your thoughts on to me or my channel there. So that's it from me, guys. This is Pete signing off. Take care. Bye bye.